This is 7 National News, and in our top story, the UAE has made significant progress in promoting gender balance, especially in key decision-making positions, and has enhanced female participation in the public sector. That's according to a senior UAE official at the 9th Gender Summit, held in the EU's headquarters over in Brussels. The event shed light on the most significant policies and initiatives that support gender equality, particularly in the fields of technology, science, research and innovation, in accordance to global best practices. Abdullah Luta, the Director General of the Federal Competitiveness Council, who's also a member of the UAE Gender Balance Council, stated that the Council is committed to its goal of promoting further gender balance and equality between men and women, and they are prioritising their efforts to achieve this balance in all sectors. He added that they are working to ensure that there is a supportive environment for women in the workplace and that they will appoint women in different roles and across sectors in the country. He added that their participation in the Gender Summit in Brussels is essential in supporting their efforts and moving in the right direction in regards to completely closing the gender gap. It also provides them with an opportunity to learn from the successes of others. The Ministry of Health and Prevention has ordered the withdrawal of certain dietary supplements for weight loss from the market, as they contain undeclared and unregistered ingredients that may pose serious health risks. These products, which were promoted for reducing weight and improving stamina, contain undeclared and unregistered drug ingredients that may be harmful to health and the well-being of patients suffering from cardiac disorders and diabetes, or those taking products that contain nitrates. That was announced by Dr. Amin Hussein Al-Amiri, who is the Assistant Under Secretary for Public Policy and Licensing at the UAE Ministry of Health and Prevention, who's also the chairman of the Higher Pharmaceutical Vigilance Committee. The Health Ministry has sent circulars to health authorities, stakeholders and partners to remove these products from all outlets, to stop their distribution and import, and to identify their brands so as to understand their side effects that may lead to death. He also appealed to the public not to get tempted by the misleading and unauthorized advertisements on social media about herbal supplements. Al-Amiri revealed that the ministry had received a notification from the US Food and Drug Administration about Stiff Bull herbal coffee, which contains hidden drug ingredients, as they are advising consumers not to purchase the product. The FDA laboratory analysis confirmed that it contains a substance that may lower blood pressure to dangerous levels. The ministry's circulars also included an FDA notification against using Zissou Body Fat Health, which is a product promoted for weight loss, which consumers were advised to not purchase or use as well. Crimes related to human trafficking have decreased in Dubai to 6 this year from 35 in 2010. And that's due to extensive campaigns to increase awareness about the dangers of such crimes, as announced by Lieutenant General Kamis Matar Al-Muzaina, who is the Commander-in-Chief of Dubai Police. Muzaina was speaking at a graduation ceremony where the first batch of 22 graduates was awarded diplomas for a course on human trafficking and its prevention. He said in his address that Dubai Police pay significant attention to the issue of combating human trafficking crimes, and they are teaming up with other partners and stakeholders to update training and qualification programs within its strategy to deliver security and stability. He also noted that the degree, the first of its kind in the Arab world, aims to qualify an elite group of government employees to handle such crimes with high professionalism and competence. They have gained theoretical and practical skills and knowledge on mechanisms to detect and prevent crimes in human trafficking, to help and protect victims, to offer psychological support for them, and to also fight all forms and manifestations of the crime. He stated that 1,635 trainees had participated in 40 workshops on combating crimes related to trafficking in people, and 16,647 people had benefited from 56 awareness lectures organised by Dubai Police's Human Trafficking Crime Control Centre. The Dubai Tram has served about 9 million commuters from the start of its operations back in 2014, up through to the end of October this year, as it celebrated its second anniversary on Friday. The anniversary comes amid high performance indicators, compliance to schedules, on-time arrivals, high safety standards, and the highest consumer satisfaction and happiness ratings. That's according to officials. On-time arrivals clocked in at 96.4%, and compliance with published schedules went as high as 98.1%. During the period, the tram has made about 176,000 journeys and has covered around 1.05 million kilometres. The Road and Transport Authority Sharjah recorded 19 million passengers on its network in the third quarter of the year. Abdulaziz Al-Jawan, the director of the RTA Sharjah for Transport Affairs, stated that they have transported over 18.89 million passengers on public buses and taxis over the last 3 months of the year, which hit a daily average of 210,000. He also noted that making prepaid SIRE e-cards more available on board, increasing the number of bus stops and adopting efficient plans for seasons, weekends, holidays and rush hours also have attracted more passengers, who he noted can easily inquire about bus timings by sending an SMS. He added that the significant 11% rise as compared to the same period in 2015 was attributed to the decrease of frequency and increase of vehicles to 97 buses running on 9 routes, covering 407 kilometres of Sharjah city roads. The 4 franchise cab companies ran 7.8 million trips, transporting nearly 15.7 million passengers in Q3, with a daily average of 174,000 passengers. As for the city buses, these ran 87,561 trips to commute 1,533,000 passengers over the same period. July was also the highest, with 525,813 passengers, or 17,000 daily passengers. Dubai Festival City's brand new refurbishment played host to Grazia magazine's first-of-a-kind live fashion experience this past week. Grazia Middle East went live for the first time as its editorial team produced the weekly magazine from Dubai Festival City from the 4th to the 12th of November, where shoppers were given the opportunity to experience firsthand a week in the life of the popular women's magazine. This included live photo shoots, beauty product testing, blogger panel discussions, as well as screens showcasing the latest autumn-winter collections with all of the big names in Dubai fashion. Officials from Festival City shopping malls stated that through the event and partnership, they believe that Festival City is more than just a shopping destination, but rather gives people the chance to have unique experiences. This is especially so off the back of the new refurbishment at Dubai Festival City, which has welcomed a whole host of new F&B and shopping outlets. And finally, looking to other news now, the Colour Run, presented by Daman's Activelife, saw a regional record-breaking 14,000 colour runners dance, skip and cartwheel for 5 kilometres as one of the city's most loved event series returned to Dubai Autodrome over the weekend. The new Tropicolor World Tour took Dubai's colour runners to the next level of fun, with Daman's Activelife's all-new Tropicolor Zone, where participants celebrated in an array of colours as they passed through palm trees, arches and island-style music. During the Finish Festival, participants enjoyed interactive fun at the Rainbow Beach with dancing, music and activities from sponsors, as well as massive colour throws. Officials stated that they were delighted to present this much-loved event for the 7th time in the UAE, which offers motivation and drive for the first-time runners and also an exciting day out for families and friends, no matter what their fitness level is. They added that with events like this, they aim to help motivate the community to lead a healthy lifestyle. $1 from every entry at the Colour Run was donated to Friends of Cancer patients through the Just Giving platform.
The objective of the Colour Run in Dubai is to bring color, happiness and fun to all the people of Dubai and the visitors to Dubai. So it's something that we've been working on. This is our 4th edition here, together with our friends at Daman and many other partners who've joined us. Thankfully, the Dubai Sports Council and many others have been big partners. So it's under the Hamdan bin Mohammed Community Sports Initiative to bring fun and to get people off the sofas on a Saturday morning and have fun running or walking 5Ks. What we aim to achieve for the color run is really just for people to have fun and to be covered in color and get some exercise really on a Saturday morning. I mean, that's the idea. We've been quite successful this year. We've had 14,000 participants, so that's the largest that we've ever had by a couple of thousands. In previous years, we sold out at 12,000. This year, we sold out at 14,000. So that's as good as we can get. We don't want to really go much higher because 14,000 people in one venue in a day is a lot. So we're very pleased, and our friends at Daman, their Activelife program, and the Dubai Sports Council, everybody's quite happy today.
I'm enjoying, I'm thrilled. This is my first color learn and I'm loving it. The crowd is awesome, and the people, the MAC, the organizer, Activelife, have done a fantabulous job.
Yeah, I'm really enjoying myself, and I actually feel like it got me up in the morning to do a run. 7 a.m. in the morning, that's such an achievement, and yeah, I did it. 5K.
I mean, I've been trying to come to this run for the past 2 years. Finally, I've come today and I love it.
I think the concept of the color run is an excellent idea because there's so many cultures and people here all together forgetting about all their problems and just enjoying life.